the internet.
Hello, guys.
You gotta talk
I'm
loud.
gonna show you some. Oh. Hello, guys. Today I'm gonna show you some spider pictures. I'm not gonna do like spider gaming since my thing is called that, but we'll just show you some spider. So first up, number 1. Come on, Kayla, don't be slowpoke.
It's the internet is slow.
Oh yeah. Now, first up, we're doing the.
Do you want pictures or videos?
The videos. We'll just show you like all these because.
Which one do you want?
Well, first up, we'll show you with the loud bird eater. This is actually
Ew.
what it looks like. Now, these things, they're gigantic. And you guys, I know that they're gigantic, but they can be in different ways, like that, that, and what else? That. Now I'll show you one small.
Why does that say named for Obama? Oh well.
Don't
worry about it.
We'll do this one. This is actually it kind of looks like a jumping spider, I think. I think it's a jumping spider. Now, I'm going to show you a trapdoor. That's a trapdoor. I think that's a trapdoor. The trapdoor. Trapdoor, tarantula. Now,
Okay, we should probably wrap up our video.
So, this was actually kind of a short video, but
yeah, we can make a longer one next. This is like a practice.
I made all these videos.
Okay. The next one can be longer. This is like a practice. I want to see where we're at here, buddy.
Wait,